Good morning to everybody. So you completed till question number 5 from exercise 13.5 13.5 or 13.6 13.6. Okay, so today you have to start question number 6 today. The capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter. What it is given for you? Height is given that 1 meter. Height is what? 1 meter. The capacity is given. The capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter is 15.4 liters. That is what volume is given. Capacity means what? Volume. Volume of a closed cylindrical tank. That is equal to how much? Yes, 15.4 liters. So 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liters. Am I right? So 1 liter, that is equal to 1 by 1000 meter cube. That is equal to 1 liter. 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. So 1 by 1000 meter cube is equal to 1 liter. So convert this liter into meter cube, because height it is given in meter for you. So 15.4 by 1000 meter cube. So it can be written as, okay, you have to correct 3 decimal places in the numerator. So 0.00154 meter cube. Are you getting here? 0.00154 meter cube. Okay. Now, what is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. Good. Pi r square h it is. Here you know the what? Height, and then substitute that. So 22 by 7 into r square, we don't know that, we are trying to find. H is 1 is equal to 0.00154. Then r square, that is equal to 0.00154 into 7 by 22. 7 by 22. Right? Now simplify, you will get the value of what? R you will get. So better multiply by, what you can do now, tell me. Here 0.50, sorry, it is 0.0154. It is 0.0154. Because divided by 1000 you have to correct 3 decimal places, right? So 1, 2, 3, 0.0154 meter cube. So then, because here it is not coming a perfect square, that's what we are going back. Okay, so r square, that is equal to 154 into 7 by 22 into 100 into 100. That is here, just I multiplied by 10,000. Just I multiplied by 10,000, right? So what will you get now? R square, that is equal to 154 into 7 by 22 into 10,000. So 10,000 can be written as 100 into 100. Right? Now again. So R square equal to tell me now. R square is equal to 154 by 22 into 7, 100 into 100, 100 into 100. R square equal to, here 2 11 2s are, okay, 2 11s are 22, 11 2s are 22, 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14, 1 11 is 11, 7 11s are 77. So here it is 7 into 7, r square equal to 7 into 7 by 100 into 100. Then r equal to square root of 7 into 7 by 100 into 100. So r equal to 7 by 100 meter, that is 0.07 meter, right? Now what is the question for you? How many square meter of metal sheet required to make the closed cylindrical tank? Okay, how many square meters of metal sheet would be required to make it? Okay, so what is the TS of cylinder? It's very simple, 2 pi r into h plus r, that is EAC is 2 pi r, area of top plus area of bottom is 2 pi r square, so 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, that is 2 pi r into h plus r square units. 2 pi r into h plus r square units. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 0.07 into h is what? 1 here. R is what? 0.07. That is, here you can cancel, it will be 0.01 kanna. 2 into 22 is what? 44. 44 into 1 is 44, but you have to correct 2 decimal places, then 0.44 into 1.07. Now multiply these two, 107 into 44, 28, 4, again 428 dear. So 8, 10, 6, 7, 4. So you have to correct 4 decimal places, that is 0.4708. I think so. What is your answer? 0.4708 meter square. 0.4708 meter square. That is, therefore, 0.4708 meter square of the metal sheet, 0.4708 meter square of metal sheet would be required to make the closed cylindrical tank. To make the closed cylindrical tank. Are you getting, children? That's all. Would be required to make closed cylindrical tank. Right? Okay. Thank you.